Hey guys, welcome back to the OCDetailing studio. Today behind me we have a beautiful Audi RS7, and right here in front of me we have its second set of shoes that are freshly powder coated. Customer just got it finished, he just picked them up. They're a beautiful satin black, and he brought them to us before he mounted it on the car so that we can ceramic coat 100% of its surfaces inside and out. So today we are using Ceramic Pro Strong. This is their industrial ceramic coating, and no pun intended, but it is the strongest ceramic coating I have ever installed across many different brands. But what that means for your wheels, first and foremost, not sure how much you can tell, but it has deepened the black color of the wheels. Now the coating is still wet. I just installed this, so this will dry to more of a satin finish, but it is going to maintain that deep black look. We have done everything on the face, all the intricacies in the lug nut holes here. I'm just going to flip the wheel around because we have also done the back side of the wheel. So a lot of people never clean the back side of the wheels, but it is increasingly important to do it on a black set, and especially on a sport car, luxury sport car like behind me, because of the high performance braking systems. So now if your hands are small enough like mine, you can reach back here and easily clean the wheel. The brake dust will not stick. It sits on the surface and makes it super easy to clean it off, to make your life a lot easier. If you have black wheels, and you know how difficult it is to take care of them and always keep them looking great, so ceramic coating is going to make your life a lot easier when it comes to that. So if you're in the market for a ceramic coating, any surface of your vehicle, or if you have a nice set of wheels like these here and you want it done, reach out to us and we'll be happy to take care of you.